This video, it's all about the beautiful colors of nature, and I'm gonna show you how to create and decorate your home decor very low on a budget. Hello my darlings, I am C and this is CJ DIY. And with that being said, we're jumping into my projects. I am using this large wooden canvas frame that I had in my crafting stack, and I'm gonna fill it out with these wooden pieces. And I usually buy these wooden pieces from Home Depot just for a couple of dollars. I'm gonna space them out 2 inches apart, and I'm gonna staple them with my gun. I love to use these canvas frames because they're already ready. All I do is just to remove their material part, and I already have a wooden frame around it. But it's easy to create a frame with wood pieces as well. Whatever you have, you can just create it and just make a beautiful sign for a fall or for everyday home decor. Just to give you an idea, I added some X shape with these wooden pieces, and we can also make the sign look like this. This time for my sign, I prefer that I'll make the straight lines and then we can decorate it. Now that I have look that I want, I'm just stapling them with a staple gun, and simple as that, we made a cute shutter sign. I'm also using one little wooden piece that I cut it off to match our shutter door, and that's gonna be our handle for our shutter door or shutter sign, whatever you like to call it. Now I'm just measuring faux leather lines that we're gonna use them for our sign as well. I cut off 3 equal pieces, leather pieces, and now with that wooden dowel, I'm gonna connect them in my frame. We're gonna put one on each side and one in the middle, and we're gonna use push pins, golden push pins from Dollar Tree, and that's how that handle is gonna stay on our sign. Now that my leather hooks are done, I'm gonna cut off the extra pieces that they're coming out after the push pins. I am applying antique wax on the wooden dowel handle, and also I'm gonna apply antique wax on the whole wooden shutter sign. I will be adding this home galvanized sign, rose gold sign from Dollar Tree. I changed the handle from twine to the faux leather handle, and we're gonna put it in the middle, just like that. Another idea are those wooden planks with these leather words blessed. I wanted to do that, but I think that's gonna be too much. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add these beautiful leaves, also from Dollar Tree. I'm adding one of each on each corner, and we're gonna add a clip, wooden clip on them. And I think the sign already look pretty. To add extra embellishment on my sign, I'm gonna just antique wax it. Just to get that rustic farmhouse look, I'm using a baby wipe so we can just remove it and have that look, and adding all those embellishment back And that's it for this DIY. You gotta let me know what do you think and if you're gonna try to remake this. Today I'm so happy that I'm a part of another home decor room by room, inspired by nature, hosted by my amazing, darling, beautiful friend Devin from Freckle Mom DIY. If you don't know Devin by now, you will need to visit her channel. She is amazing, creating beautiful home decor. Her link will be in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with super talented creators. Please show them a lots of love because each and every one is working very hard to create a beautiful video for you. For my next project, I'm gonna be using this beautiful crate that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. I think I only paid $2 or $3 for it. So I'm just gonna add some extra embellishment on it and we're gonna decorate it. I'm using wooden pieces, wooden dowels, and I'm just gonna measure just to make like a handle or like a stand on my crate. I'm just gonna measure and I'm gonna cut it off on 3 equal pieces so we can create that handle that we can glue on top of our crate. I'm using my mini cutting machine. I just love this machine. I got it from Amazon. If you're interested, I can put the link for you. And it's super easy and very helpful. So we don't need to go outside and use our big cutting machines. Just use this mini cutting machine and create beautiful decors with our wooden pieces. Now that I got my 3 pieces, I'm gonna glue them together in a shape of a handle. I'm using a wood glue and I'm gonna use those plastic clips from Dollar Tree just to hold it and make it more sturdy. And then we're gonna glue them on top of our crate. For extra embellishment, I'm using one of the Halloween sign, mini sign, and one of those stickers from Dollar Tree. After I cut it off in the shape of that sign, I'm gonna glue it on top of it, and also adding these wooden cutout leaves from Dollar Tree. I'm distressing them and I'm gonna glue them on our sign. To add this sign to my crate, I'm gonna use one of those chains from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna cut it off smaller. Take out the pieces, just enough to fit in my handle. I'm adding the hook that is coming with those chains, and that's it for this sign. To decorate it, I'm gonna add a bunch of shopping bags, and I'm gonna add the raffia skirt on top, and we're gonna add a lot of those cute mini pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree. They're different material, different shape, and I really love all of them. And it's gonna look like we went to the market of pumpkins. We're also gonna decorate it with adding some fall picks, also from Dollar Tree. Fall picks, fall leaves, everything together. And this beautiful cart and crate, it's done for our home decor. You gotta let me know. It didn't cost me a lot, but it looked very high-end, rustic farmhouse nature look. I really love the colors that I use, and all together it only cost me just a couple of dollars. I want to show you these beautiful wooden lanterns that I got from Marshall's. They were $6 each on clearance, and the original price was $45 each. I won for those. I am in love with them. So you can leave them with that glass and then add a real candle, or you can just add a LED candle. In this case, I'm adding LED candles because I like to add extra embellishment on top of them, like some fall leaves and some greeneries, just to get that beautiful natural look, nature look. Those beautiful lanterns can be used indoor or outdoor throughout the whole year. Doesn't need to be just for fall. I am really in love with them. Another decorating idea, I'm using this rustic candle holder that I made last year, and I'm just gonna add some greeneries to be on top and just be hanged like that. And on top of that, I can add the pumpkin or my lanterns, and I'm ready to decorate. And here is everything that we did today. Those were the easiest, beautiful creations. I hope I gave you lots of inspirations for you to create very low on a budget and beautiful colors with nature. Give me your thoughts. What do you think? And before I let you go, don't forget to check out my amazing darling friend Devin and the amazing playlist. And my darlings, until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.